Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a fabulous recipe for you guys. It is quick, easy, and extremely delicious. Today we're going to make this amazing $100 salmon burger. Yep, it's worth $100. Guys, this is like one of the best burgers I've ever had. So let's put this together. We have our salmon and we are going to season really well. You can also season to your likeness and taste. However, all the seasoning that I'm using, everything that I'm using will be in the description box. All right, so we're going to season well. Then we are going to mix our dredging flour with all the seasonings and herbs and spices here. And we are going to divide this flour in half. Then we're going to take one half, add some water, and make a batter. So preferably you are going to add the salmon in some flour, then to the batter, then to the flour again. All right, that is to create that really good crunch on the outside of your meat, in this case our salmon, and you know the inside is going to be really nice and juicy because nobody likes a dry salmon, at least I don't. So we're going to make sure this is seasoned really well, and we're going to shake all the excess flour off of the salmon. I'll let it sit for about a minute. Then you're going to preheat your oil to about 300 degrees. And you are going to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes until the salmon is golden brown. Look at that, guys. Perfect. It is crunchy on the outside and absolutely juicy on the inside. So let's put this together. There I have some Swiss jerk sauce, barbecue jerk sauce, and some chili sauce. I'm gonna mix that together. You can tell that salmon is just beautiful. Then we are going to add that to the sauce. Make sure to coat this on both sides. And what I have on the left side of the screen there is the salmon skin. I actually baked the salmon skin so it is really nice and crispy. I did a video for that as well. You guys gonna check the link out. So we're gonna add some cheese, our lettuce, and build the burger however you see fit. You may like onions, you may not like tomatoes, but just put this together. There I added my salmon skin. It is great for garnishing and it's super crunchy and healthy. And there is our $100 burger, guys. Beautifully delicious, and I absolutely love this. I just can't wait for y'all to try it. So again, if y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video and other videos. All right, I see y'all in the next video. I love you guys. Bye-bye.